Welcome to Explain the Charts. Today we're going to be taking a look at GBPUSD, the British pound sterling against the US dollar. This pair has been in a state of flux lately, so we'll need to determine if there are any clear trends and price levels to watch. Before we jump into the charts, let's discuss the recent news and events that might be influencing price action. If we look at the daily chart, we can see a lot of back and forth movement. It's hard to tell a definitive direction from just the daily view. It's been bouncing around between the 1.2500 and 1.3000 levels recently. This could be a sign of indecision in the market. Let's look at the 1-hour chart to get a closer look at the recent price action. The 1-hour chart shows some interesting developments. Over the past week, the GBPUSD has been attempting to break above the 1.3000 resistance. There have been a few false breakouts, which suggests that this level is still holding strong. However, we can see a strong bullish candle on the 1-hour chart yesterday, which could be a sign that the bulls are gaining momentum. It will be crucial to watch how this candle plays out in the coming hours and days. We can also see that the 1.3000 level has acted as both support and resistance in the past. It's important to remember that history doesn't always repeat itself, but it can give us an idea of how this level might react. If we narrow in on the last few weeks of 1-hour candles, we can see this level has been tested multiple times. Looking back at the news and events, there have been some mixed signals. Last week's employment data for the UK came in below expectations, which put downward pressure on the pound. However, the recent strength in the US economy, particularly the strong second-quarter growth figures, has been supporting the US dollar. These conflicting economic indicators might be contributing to the volatility and indecision we see on the charts. The focus now is on whether the U.S. Federal Reserve will cut interest rates at their next meeting. A rate cut would likely put downward pressure on the U.S. dollar, potentially benefiting the GBPUSD. However, it's important to note that these are just predictions, and the market could react in unexpected ways. The 1.3000 level is crucial for GBPUSD in the short term. If the bulls can successfully break above this resistance, it could lead to a significant rally. We need to see a strong bullish candle close above this level to confirm a breakout. On the other hand, if the GBPUSD fails to break above 1.3000 and retraces back below the 1.2800 level, it could signal a bearish continuation. Keep an eye on the 15-minute chart for confirmation of any breakout or breakdown. Let's zoom in on the 15-minute chart to see how the GBPUSD is trading in the short term. Right now, the price is trading slightly above the 1.3000 level. It's important to look for any signs of momentum, either bullish or bearish. We can see a cluster of bullish candles around the 1.3000 level, which could be a sign of support. But we need to see how the price reacts to the 1.3100 level, which is acting as resistance at the moment. If the GBPUSD can break above 1.3100, it could signal a strong bullish trend in the short term. We also need to be aware of the potential for a bearish reversal. If the GBPUSD drops back below the 1.3000 level, it could indicate a short-term bearish trend. The 1.2900 level might act as support in this scenario, but it's not a guarantee. Be cautious and watch the price action closely. Another important level to watch is the 1.2800 level. This level has acted as support in the past, so it could provide a good entry point for long-term bullish traders. In conclusion, the GBPUSD is currently in a state of flux, with the market displaying both bullish and bearish signals. The 1.3000 level is a crucial level to watch, with a breakout above this level potentially leading to a significant rally. However, a failure to break above this level could signal a bearish continuation. The 15-minute chart can provide valuable insights into the short-term price action, and a breakdown below the 1.3000 level could signal a short-term bearish trend. Traders should be cautious and monitor the price action closely, as the market could react in unexpected ways. Keep an eye on the news and economic indicators for further insights into the future trajectory of the GBPUSD.